But yeah, coming to the third segment, you recently posted a very beautiful videos on Aryu and I also watched it. And we have done again, I think 2-3 segments, how the name is important in your life and which nakshatra to be followed when we name someone. And you did mention Moon Nakshatra, and we have already covered those segments, but there was few queries came to me, maybe they also came to you, where certain subscribers asked, what if that Gitanshu Bhaiya focus more on the Moon Nakshatra? What if Moon is not my strong planet in my chart, astrologically? What if it's not the most strongest planet in my chart? Can I still name my kid or the company or whatever it is on the basis of Moon? Second question.
You have to.
Okay.
You have to.
Okay.
There is no second question about it.
Okay.
Is my mother strong or weak? How are you deciding whether my moon is weak or strong? Who are you?
Right. Right.
Even
right.
if it is strong, it needs to be strengthened more. If it is weak, it is to be strengthened still further.
Right.
So there is no let there be no ambiguity about it.
Right.
If my moon is weak, I need to strengthen it. If it is already in strength, I need to strengthen it more. What is moon? Moon is my man, not my mind. Not my mind. My internal emotional state. So the God says, Shastra said, my emotional internal state needs to be at the strongest. I have lost everything. And there is no reason for me to live. It is very easy for me to kill myself. Let me opt for suicide. What is stopping me from suicide? It is my internal courage. I will live it. I will face it. And I will defeat it. I will live it. I will face it. And I will defeat it.
Yep.
And after defeating it, I will do the same thing to the next problem.
Wow. Yep.
And the very next. And the very next. Life is full of problems, but I am full of life.
Great mantra.
This is the strength of the moon.
Jai.
How much you need it? Infinitely you need it. So if somebody says that at the time of birth, the moon's nakshatra, the moon is under influence, yes, maybe. But that is more so a reason to make it more stronger, because that is your man. We are not talking about the mind. We are talking something beyond the mind, something above the mind, something that controls the mind.
Makes sense.
So people, I did especially a section because I have hundreds of emails, hundreds of people writing to me that the name, again I repeat, there should be no ambiguity. There should be no ifs and buts. Sit down. The moment the child is born, see the moon's nakshatra. Every nakshatra has 4 parts. Every syllable has been decided according to the pada, the parts of the nakshatra. Please go in. Maybe one akshar does not suit you, but if you ask me, you should go exactly for the akshara at the pada level. At the minutest breakage, what you do, that is what the Shastras have decided for us. Why? Because it needed. So if people want to get it clear about it, they can go to Aryu Ketu. There is a very elaborate discussion about it.
Yes.
But in synopsis, I can just say that the akshar, that the syllable, the word that is decided, it is needed to be repeated for the child till he's 7 years old, because the moment you repeat that akshara or that syllable, that vibration goes to his or her man or the internal mind, that strengthens the mind. So I gave an example there that people who have got their names from the moon's nakshatra, please go and talk to them. They have less issues. They have more courage in their life. They feel, okay, problems come, will be managed. But people who have kept it on a different setup at the initial phase of life, they just feel it very differently. That okay, we are cowed down more by the problems. Why? Because their mind is resonating another frequency, but they are pushing another frequency, so they are not matching each
Right. Right.
the frequency that I am born under. I should be matching that.
Right.
That is why in the olden days, when you used to take Diksha or you used to go to the master to learn, the first thing you used to do is, according to your aura, you used to change your name.
Okay.
Okay. So probably Vivekananda, as people know him to be the great saint, the greatest saint, what was his original name? Let people go and find out.
Okay.
So they will understand that what are you and what are you named by the master.
But yeah,
There is a
Ji, if you
very,
allow,
very, sorry,
please.
there is a very, very deep science involved in whatever these masters do, in whatever the Shastras have been written. That is why in the previous segment I said to everybody, please, if you really want to change, please read Gita once. And Lord Krishna himself, the master, will explain how cosmos works. What are your duties? What are principles? What is God? What is human? What is the connection? What is needed to be done? All your questions will be answered just by reading Gita. I am sure people are going, once they read it,
go for second time.
people are seldom going to write to you or to me.
Absolutely. I'm sure of it. But yeah, but again, if you allow me, I still have few variations in this segment. What if that in the past time, our mother or our parents were not able to name us according to the moon nakshatra? Can we have a alternative therapy or a thing which we can do right now?
No, it has been proved by the science now.
Okay.
And it was already written in the Shastra that the impressionable or the movement or the way the mind is being made is first starts to make the mind or the man. It starts to form inside the womb first. That is why the Shastra say that the mother needs to be happy.
Right.
Because the child is absorbing the vibrations from the mother.
Right.
The second thing, when he or she comes outside into the world, the first 5 to 7 years are the forming years of the mind. Right. What you are going to become in your life has already been formed in the first 5 years. So if today somebody is Elon Musk, right, his brain had started to work on that wavelength in the first 5 to 7 years of his life.
Yeah. This is logical.
After that, keeping a name or changing that name, that today I change it, I am 23, let me change it back, is of no use, dear.
Wow. Okay.
Is of no use.
Okay. This was very important to know.
Is of no use now, because the thing has already been formed. You have formed a sculpture, a beautiful sculpture. You cannot go back and, melt the rock, the hardest stone on this earth. Let's say the statue is in diamond. You cannot go and melt the diamond and reform, because for this Janma, it has already been formed. Now let it accept it as God's will.
Right.
And continue with what we have. Changing it is not going to make a difference at this junction of life.
Right.
It may and it will the time the child is born.
Right.
So we gave an example there that if the name is, let's say, Suresh.
Right.
So keep calling him Suresh, the Su part, the rage. This is what is going to affect the mind, the vibration. This is the mantra for your child. We just keep it because we need to strengthen the moon. The only reason is this. That is why in the South, there is a very beautiful paddhati. I really wish people could follow it. You keep your name, you keep your father's name, you keep your grandfather's name, you keep your gotra, you keep your village. People used to make fun of us when we were so advanced scientifically.
Right.
The vibration to them, and in the world, in entire India, if you see, people from South India have been doing well from past generations together.
More humble.
More humble, because the vibrations are very rightly said. If every name, you take your grandfather's name, you take your Gotra, you take your Ishtadev. Now, there are a lot of people who I come across, older people. If you call them by their name, they will object to it. Please call me by my full name.
Yeah.
And people don't write it. Everybody should write their full name, no matter how long it is. In
They
this
should.
birth, that is actually you.
Again, your code.
Your actual code is
Code.
this entire thing.
Again, Bhaiya, again, if you allow me, I wanted to ask you, there are certain subscribers or students who are again very deep into astrology. They were asking me on the same Aryu Ketu segment, what if that our moon, if my daughter or a boy is born on a certain day, on a certain nakshatra, what that pada is going into a Ashtamansha pada, because there are certain souls, they get very technical. And what is the answer to them?
You can go as technical as you want. I can throw so much of knowledge, it will feel as babble to you. You will not recognize it.
Right.
But my master has taught me one thing. Knowledge is supposed to be the simplest and the purest. Give it to somebody who understands it in the best of the level, in the most easiest of manner.
Right.
No matter where it is, the genuine rule is, I am not worried where it is falling in the Ashtak Varga.
Yes.
I am not worried where it is falling in the D chart. I am not at all bothered about the division of the nakshatra,
Or
the
Gandanta.
crossover of the nakshatra, the overlapping of the nakshatra. I am not bothered where it is where falling in the D chart.
Right.
I am just simply humbly saying, it is the source of man, the internal power. No matter how it is placed,
Right.
no matter how it is placed in the various ways you dissect it.
Yes. Yes.
The basic thing is, when it collides and combines into one moon,
Yeah.
that moon is by man, my internal mind, not my external logical mind, my internal strength. It is to be strengthened no matter what.
Yeah.
Even if it is placed with Rahu, even if it is aspected by Rahu, 5 planets are placed with it, it needs strength now. It has been crushed by planets. It needs strength at the first 5 years, 7 years of its life. They are forming it. Your mind is forming. Give the child the energy that he or she is born with.
Yep.
The Shastras are very clear about it. And I don't know anything except the Shastras. So I cannot comment on anything that people say.
Yes.
That is why I don't go there. I don't go anywhere. I don't lecture anywhere. I don't talk on any platform other than few.
Yes.
I know what has been taught to me by my master.
Yes.
I am very clear in my mind. This is the way it should be working. You follow it. You don't follow it. It's up to you. My knowledge is limited. There is no ambiguity in this. Every child's moon has to be strengthened.
Thank you. Thank you, Bhaiya. It brings a lot of clarity, and I hope those who were writing to me or to you more on the technical part, there is no Kintu Parantu, got their answer. So thank you. Thank you.